Welcome to the channel of Accelerating Physics. Please like, subscribe and share the videos. In this video we are going to see Bainbridge mass spectrograph. Now why Bainbridge mass spectrograph? It is having high resolving power. It is used to calculate unknown mass of the particle. It is also used to find number of isotopes present for the element. Now let us see the construction. It consists of following parts: velocity selector, analyzing chamber, and photographic plate. Now this is the experimental arrangement of Bainbridge mass spectrograph. Here anode is used, electron beams are passed through this, and this is the cathode. When a high potential difference is applied between anode and cathode, then electron beams are produced. These electron beams are passed through the selector, velocity selector. In this case, velocity selector will apply both the electric as well as magnetic fields simultaneously. Electric field is acting inside the plane of the paper, and magnetic field is acting exactly perpendicular to electric field. Now when the electric and magnetic fields are equal and opposite, the positive rays will not be deflected from their original position, and they will enter inside the vacuum chamber or analyzing chamber. Now as they are having different masses, therefore they are focused on the photographic plate with different line images. Actually, this Bainbridge mass spectrograph is used for the determination of positive rays, and we know that positive rays consist of the positive particles inside it. Now we will see what do you mean by velocity selector. A beam of positive ions are passed through the velocity selector. The velocity selector is a device in which electric and magnetic fields are applied in the same region. The electric field is in the plane of the paper and magnetic field is at right angle to it. So the action of forces in velocity selector are: the force due to electric field is F equal to Q into E, where small q is the charge on single electron and E is the electric field. F equal to BQV, this is the force due to magnetic field. Now when the two forces are equal and opposite, then QE equal to BQV, therefore V equal to E by B. Now let us see the working of Bainbridge mass spectrograph. All the positive particles having same velocity will enter through the velocity selector. All other particles will be removed from the stream. The positive particles enter in the analyzing chamber, where one more magnetic field B dash is applied. Due to this magnetic field, all the positive particles emerge along circular path and fall on the photographic plate. Now let us see the derivation. All the particles having same value of Q by M will traverse a semicircular path of radius r. Hence, centripetal force mv square upon r equal to B dash QV, or r equal to mv upon B dash into Q, where r is the radius. So B dash equal to mv upon r into Q, therefore r equal to km dash. In this case we have considered k as the constant, and therefore the final equation becomes r equal to km dash, or simply r equal to km. thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.